All right, teams, it's time for Shop Talk. This week, we discuss value-driven marketing in the automotive service industry. The automotive service industry is highly competitive, and standing out can be a challenge. In this crowded market, value-driven marketing can help your business stand out and attract customers. Let's explore why value-driven marketing is so important for success in the automotive service industry. Builds trust. In the automotive service industry, customers want to know that they're in good hands. Value-driven marketing focuses on the benefits that your business provides rather than just the features of your services. This helps to build trust with your customers and demonstrates that your business is committed to providing high-quality service. Differentiates from competitors. In a crowded market, it's important to stand out. By emphasizing the value that your business provides, you can differentiate yourself from your competitors and show customers why your business is the best choice. Attracts new customers. A value-driven marketing approach can help attract new customers who are looking for high-quality service and a positive customer experience. By highlighting the benefits of your services, you can show potential customers that your business is committed to meeting their needs and providing a great experience. Retains existing customers. A value-driven marketing approach can also help retain existing customers by reminding them of the benefits they receive from your services. This helps to strengthen the customer-business relationship and encourages customers to continue doing business with your company. In conclusion, value-driven marketing is essential for success in the automotive service industry. By focusing on the benefits of your services, you can build trust with customers, differentiate from your competitors, attract new customers, and retain existing customers. By adopting a value-driven marketing approach, you can ensure that your business stands out and is well-positioned for success in this highly competitive market. Want more Shop Talk? Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as well as follow our other social media platforms for more free content to help your shop reach its greatest potential.